Hi guys, mko salama? I'm well and I'm working. It's on a Friday at 3:24 p.m. I'm working on a report. And I made some juice. It's banana, blueberries and raspberries. Yeah, so it's nice. And today I want to try out a vlog. I always start something namalizia, like I get somewhere and I drop, because most of the times I forget to vlog. I find myself not vlogging. So today I want to try out something on how I spend my weekend. Yeah, just showing you how my weekend goes. I hope it's going to be a good one. I've been very tired. We had audits and end-month reports for the last 2 weeks and it's been hectic, so I'm going to sleep in. I'm going to be relaxing. I'm just going to be at home. I don't have any special plans, but one of the things that I want to do today on Friday after work is go do my hair, because you can see how bad it is. Yeah, so yeah. Guys, I'm back from the salon and this is what I did to my hair. It's just simple hair, and I did some shopping. And guys,
what can 5,000 do for you? 5,000 shillings in the current situation that we are in Kenya. Elfu tano kidogo is just peanuts guys. Wait, is my milk nimetoboka?
you think? So I bought like 4 packets of milk only. Four packets of milk, I think at 57 shillings each. They didn't even check kama walinigongea poa. Yeah, so 4 packets of milk. And then I got ourselves, I got ourselves toothbrushes. We use Oral-B. This 3-pack was 400 shillings. Yeah, and this one for Kayla, it's 215 shillings. Makana Mary, 215. Guys, like I only have like, I don't know, 3 items in here and the bill was 17.99. So I got this sabuni Morning Fresh, the lemon one. I think it's really nice, but I don't have a particular brand that I use. I tend to change now and then kulingana na budget, but my husband does the shopping, so he's the one who does change once in a while. So I got these ones for scrubbing the toilets, the tiles. Sikupata yenye ulikuwa umeniambia Masi, nilipata hizi. So I got this soap that I want to try, the Dettol skincare. Sorry about that. I got this Dettol skincare antibacterial. My face has started acting up. I don't know what's happening. I'm feeling a bit itchy na napata tutundo. I got match boxes because our gas lighter. I don't know what's happened to it, so saizi inashinda ikisumbua. I don't know why. And I got this Dettol. So we've been using Geisha for the longest time, but my husband today said he is not feeling the vibe of Geisha anymore. He wants to go back to Dettol. We used to use Dettol kitambo. At some point we changed. I don't know at what point. It's him who changed because he does the shopping. So I bought this Dettol. That's it for the supermarket. That's it. And guys, the bill was $17.99. $17.99 for I don't know how many items. How many items did you see? It's just the soap, the milk, the toothbrushes, just that, and the super bright, just that. But anyway, ni economy venye inaendelea. So these brushes are for us, for my husband, my nanny and I. So basically hivyo ndo naenda kutupa hizo zingine. And let me move this milk that is leaking and I come back. So I'm back and I have some utensils that I got, and yeah, because I just went to this shop. I just wanted a few things. I just wanted like 2 things, and I ended up buying quite some items. So this is the first thing that I got. I wanted my fridge organizers, and this is what I got. It's 200 each. I wanted another big one, but unfortunately it didn't have a lid, so I just had to let it go. So they have this size, a bigger size than this, and then there's 2 bigger sizes. So these ones were going for 200 shillings. I'm going to use them for my fridge. I love that they are clear and you can see inside. So those are 2. So I got each for 200, so 400 shillings. And then I came across this mzee. He has really nice items there at Juja. So these ones are just the, what are they called, hooks. You know, I don't know. I thought this thing, YouTubers do it because of something, but apparently focusing is such work. So I got these hooks for 100 shillings. And then my baby girl, amekataa zile vikombe zote nambaia. Like I have vikombes from Mom Easy. One kikombe is like 450 and she doesn't want them. So I decided, why not try these ones? This one is like imejishika akimbo or something. So I got these ones for 70 shillings. I got 2 of them. I hope she likes them. So yeah, I got a sugar dish, which I really like, and it opens like that. Yeah, so I got it at 300 bob. I got it at 300 shillings. Yeah, so I have another one, but I think I like this one better, especially because it's clear. I like it a lot. Let me just move my light to avoid the glare that is happening here. Yeah, so no, the light's not better. It's not better. So you'll just have to bear with me, guys. That's where I can place this light better. So yeah, so I got this sugar dish, and I got a salt shaker, majorly because the other one, I had a glass one. I have had glass salt shakers for like, I don't know, like four of them, and they keep breaking. So this one is like melamine kinda. I have a metallic one, but it's rusting, so that's why I decided to get this one. It's like plastic, but again it's good, it's presentable. Yeah, so hizi vitu zimefungwa. What are these? This is what took me to that shop, by the way. Sorry guys, so my husband is taking smoothies quite a lot right now, and he said that he needs something fancy, and I got these ones. They were going for 300 each. That is 700 for that. So yeah, so they're nice. I love the color, I love the way they look, and my light is disappointing again and again. I just got a few items, but I feel like I spent quite a lot. Let me open this one. So I got these 2 cups majorly because there's one that we were using and they broke. One broke. We had a pair, so I got these ones. They were going for 250 shillings each, and I love them. And the last item, also very tight, very tight. I got both, and these were my absolute favorite. They are so beautiful, and imagine guys, they are 150 shillings each. 150 bob. I think I'm going to go back and take, I don't know, he told me that he has a set, he has like plates for this. I think I'm going to take the plates when I have money. Yeah, but I really love them. I just asked him about the price and he told me ni 150. Imagine, bio. I got them. I got three of these, and I think I'm just going to go back there and pick a few items. Honestly, for the prices, since I sell these utensils for the prices that he gave me, they are not badly off. In fact, he's selling like most of the suppliers do sell at Kamukunji, so I think it was a good buy for me. So I love these ones. These were my absolute favorite, of course, with these ones. I didn't know there was a color red and a green, but I really loved these ones. These were my absolute favorite. So guys, yeah, morning guys, it's Saturday asubuhi. It's 10 something. Well, it's 5 minutes to 11, and guys, niko na laundry to fold. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing for today. Imagine, that's how formless I am. Guys, I want to start a challenge for rope skipping because my stomach is stomaching, and I have a member of my club, Kayla. You want to skip rope with you, right? You do want to skip rope? Yeah, so that's it guys. So it's a 7 days challenge.